Legends of Learning presents the Pie Chart Bakery Game. This is a math game that makes learning about understanding circle graphs fun
Collect
and
as
easy
many
to
fruit as you
understand.
can avoid bombs or you have to start over.
In this informative instructional game, collect the fruits for the perfect pie by following the instructions and following the recipe shown in the form of pie charts.
Each fruit is collected.
Help a baker collect the right fruits for the recipe to make the perfect pie. Your goal is to follow the instructions to a recipe and collect the right amount of fruit as displayed on a pie chart. Use your mouse to click on the following fruit. Collect the correct amount as shown on your pie chart to correctly make the pie. Be careful not to click on the falling bombs as they will
Categories are
explode
fewer.
and destroy all the fruit you have collected. Complete all the levels to win the game. Use your knowledge of math to complete this fun and educational game. Have fun and enjoy playing.